Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning about how to install Linux in Windows environment. So we will be using Windows 10 here and we try to install it. Okay, let's go. So first what you have to do is that, there is a Linux subsystem, okay, in Windows. So you have to use that option. So for that, what you have to do is that you can ask Windows Windows features. Okay, features. Ask for Windows features. You can find here. Turn Windows features on or off. Okay, so you have to use this option. So click on this option. Okay, then you will get a box over here. Windows features box. You will get it. And if you come down now, okay, there are many options here. So if you come down, you can find here Windows subsystem for Linux. So you have to click over here, then you have to click this checkbox and you have to click OK. So when you click OK, it searches for the required files in Windows, okay, and tries to install it. So it's applying the changes, and once it is completed, yes. Now let us know what is this Linux subsystem. It is in the short form. It is called as WSL. It's a compatible layer for running the Linux binary executables, okay, on Windows 10 or 11, Ubuntu, Debian, Kali, etc. So directly on Windows without using a virtual machine or a dual boot setup, you can say. So there are two versions available here, WSL1 and WSL2. Yeah, after restarting, and then what you have to do is that you have to go to say Microsoft Store, and in Microsoft Store you have to search for the Ubuntu. So you have many versions over here. You can check for anyone else. Let me say that I have selected this. Then I have many versions here, 22.045 and 24 and so on. Okay, so I'll select this one, okay, and I will get it. So it starts install a complete Ubuntu terminal environment. It takes some time with Windows subsystem for Linux. Yeah, it's almost done. So now I'll close this. Okay, after restarting it, now let's try whether it has. So if I type bash here, it says Windows subsystem for Linux has no installed distributions. So there are no distribution that has been installed. So what we have to do is that we use say WSL hyphen double hyphen list, then use double hyphen online, so that you can know the list of all the distributions that you have to install. Okay, so the following are the list of the valid distributions that can be installed, and here we have many distributions listed out, like SUSE, Ubuntu, and Kali, and so on. Okay, so I require here only Ubuntu. Now I will select the Ubuntu 24.04 and type WSL double hyphen install hyphen D Ubuntu 24.04. Now it starts downloading. Now downloading has almost been completed. Now it tries to install. Yes, now it launches Ubuntu. Now it will ask for to once it launches, it will ask for the user account. Once you have given the user account name, now it will ask for password. Type a new password. Once the password has been given, it will ask for retyping of the password. Once you retype the password, it will successfully update it. Now you have successfully entered the environment of the Linux. So to test, just type ls. It will list out all the files and directories present in the current path. So you can clear the screen. Now, if you want to come out of the Linux environment to DOS, just type exit. Now you are in DOS environment. So thank you so much. We have successfully completed the installation of Linux. Thank you.